Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply blurry makeup prosthetics. I am going to show you how to glue and paint and how to use blood. Actually, I'm going to use a fake blood with pumping blood. This is an example. Alright, last video I made this prosthetic with the fake prop, and I have the opening with the wire sticking out. Then I have blood injector and carrot syrup. Then I have a bladder in the back. Now I use Windex to get rid of all the chemicals, like the mold release and the powder off. Then I use Kiehl's Blue Estrogen on my skin. That will take out all the extra oil. Then today I'm using the Westmore Silk One silicone glue. I use left side as silicone and the right side is the thinner. I'm using a big brush. I paint it almost everywhere. That way, application time is very quick. I stay away from the edge, but most of the area I just put it down, and also my skin. And when I place it, I gently place it. That way there's no wrinkle, slowly. And when you apply near the wrinkles, try not to bend the wrinkle, because when you move, it will create the wrinkles. So slightly up a little bit. It's similar to the ball cap when you apply the nape area. It's better to lift up the arm. Actually, I'm gonna use the stand to hold it for myself. And place it down. Like that. That way it doesn't create the weird wrinkle on the wrist. Then I'm using the lip band and the acetone to remove the edges. Since it's a acetone based bodies, it will melt as the acetone touches. You might have noticed that the skin color and prosthetics color are completely different just because I'm using the stock pieces. Sometimes when you buy it on the store or mix different color by accident, it doesn't match, but it will help you to learn how to fix the issues. By the way, that the wax paper lid was not supposed to close it. I put the Prosthetic cream, so it got stuck on the top of the plate. So I'm taking it out again. And I'm using the red stipple sponge and put the Prosthetic cream to match the texture. And after dry, I put the no color powder. Then this is aqua sealer. This will take off the powdery look and seal the edge. Now it's a painting time. Since the skin color doesn't match with the prosthetic, I'm using the EVA, I think W4 or W3. I just hate it. Then WM Creations Pink 6205. Dilute it a lot and open the tip, then less air pressure. This will create the sputtering effects. If you see close, you see that it's sputtering, and I diluted the pink a lot. So thin, so it looks like it's coming through from inside of the skin. Then I'm using the brown color. It's called teak. I'm doing the sputtering again. When you sputter, try not to use a thick color. Make sure to add alcohol. Now WM Creations number 7. This one has some olive in it, so it gets rid of warmness. My skin is more olive tone and Prosthetics is warm tone, so I added the number 7. Then this is a purple to create some second looking, because it's supposed to be knife got stuck on the arm already. So I'm painting a little bit on my actual skin. And this effect is called model. I create the wavy, like snake looking. Again, everything I put is subtle, not too much. And this is a Pro Cedar from EVA and Blue Marble. EVA Cedar is alcohol base, Blue Marble is water base. Then I'm taking the alcohol base palette and using the blood tone, and I'm using the dry blood also. That way it has a depth, and it's supposed to be old blood. And checking if the knife goes in well, and painting a little bit of the tip of the knife as well. Now I'm setting up the blood. I'm using the corn syrup with the food coloring. I also added a little bit of water because the corn syrup is a little bit thick for tubing effects. Then I connected the tubing to the injector. And I set the blood a little bit out on purpose, so it's after effects. There you go. Blood effects is really tricky, but when it comes out good, it's a great feeling. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. By the way, cleanup is so tough and takes forever.